So this is a grappling hook. It allows you to grapple onto things. It's super simple to make, and here is how you make. This takes one command block, as you can see. It works for multiplayer, just a little bit buggy, and here's how you do it. So this is the command. I'll just explain what this says and a few amazing ways to change it. Make sure to stick around for those because they're really important. So /execute adds a fishing hook. Just lets you be very specific to say what you grapple to. In this case, it is the fishing hook from the fishing rod. Then it says at the fishing hook. So just to be very specific, as and at the fishing hook. I don't know if this is necessary. I just like to do it just in case. Then it just says run, teleport at P to at S. You could also say at E type equals player. If you want to be very specific with this, then you could also do this. I'm going to show you this in the text box. So /execute at E type equals fishing hook. Run this command, teleport at E. And so you can do type equals player, and then you can do comma, and you can do has item. So this is going to check if they have an item. So has item equals fishing rod. So this just double checks that they even have a fishing rod. But you can be even more specific and say within this, so fishing rod, comma, location equals slot.weapon.mainhand. So I'm going to put this command into the command block. Just do that to at S. If you put this into the command block, then it will allow you to say only teleport a person that has the item fishing rod, and the location is the weapon main hand slot. There we go, yep. And if you want to learn even more about Minecraft command blocks and other cool Minecraft stuff, be sure to click on some of these videos on screen, and have a nice day.